Welcome to Analyze It. In this video, I will show you how to generate a descriptive statistic table in Excel. Specifically, I will show you what is a descriptive statistic table, how to install Excel analysis ToolPak, and finally, how to do a descriptive table. So what is a descriptive statistic table? This is a table that will summarize the basic measurement of your central tendency and dispersion for a numerical column in a structured data set. Let's imagine that you have a data set in Excel with three columns, name, age, and salary, and the age and salary are numerical column. So Excel will allow you to generate a table where you can get the central tendency and dispersion measurement for each of your column. In that case, you can get the central tendency for age and the salary. For example, in this table, you can get the mean and the standard deviation. In addition, a bunch of other measurements such as the range, the maximum, the minimum, the count of row. So this is what you can do in Excel. You can basically do a descriptive statistic table with Excel whenever you have a structured data set. To generate a descriptive statistic table in Excel, you should have the analysis ToolPak adding install. So now let's go to Excel to first install the analysis ToolPak, and then I will show you how to do a descriptive statistic table. Okay, now I have my Excel dataset here open. Normally to create statistical descriptive table, you would go to data and you should see the data analysis tool here in your data. But normally it's not installed. If it is not installed in your Excel, you would go to install it to File and Option. When you go to Option, you will look for Add-ins. You click on Add-ins, and normally you will be looking for Analysis ToolPak. You click on Analysis ToolPak, and then you click on Go, and then you should check the Analysis ToolPak. Here it's already checked because I have this already installed in my laptop, so I have it already checked. Once you check the Analysis ToolPak, you click OK. And normally it should now appear in your data. Now that I have my data analysis tool installed, let's create our descriptive table. We click on data analysis, and then we select descriptive statistic and we click OK. Now a new window is open for us, and there is two sections. There is the input section and there is the output section. In the input section, this is where you're going to select the column and the range of your column that you want to have the descriptive statistic. So in that case, I need to select age and income, but we will not select the header of our column, only the range of our data, meaning this part of our data set. So we will basically click here and we will select this for the age and we will extend it for income. You see that I don't select the header of my column, meaning age and income, only I am selecting the cell where I have my value. And then once I'm done, I go here and to enter the information. Okay. Always have this column selected. All right. Now we need to say to Excel where we want to put this table. In that case, I am going to create, I'm going to put it in an output range. I want to create this table somewhere here. So I will say output range, and I will do the same. All right, and then I will select the range where I want to put my table. And again, when I'm finishing, and I click here. All right, so now that I have selected the input and the output, now I need to tell Excel what I want to have in my table. Obviously, I want the summary statistic, and I can also tell Excel to generate the confidence level for the mean. All right, so I check those two. And once I'm done, if I want, I could have the largest and the k smallest, but I don't need that. So I just need the summary statistic and the confidence level. Once I'm done, I'm clicking OK, and my table should be generated. Exactly. You see? So the column 1, okay, is for the age, because it was the first column that we selected, and column 2 was for the income. As you can see, Excel is repeating the same. We don't need this part here. We can delete it because this is the same thing. So if you want, we will delete this part here. We'll delete this column, and you say delete. All right, and we know this is for our income, and we type income, and we know that the first column is the age. Right, and we can just do some trimming, some stuff. We increase the size to have full information. Here we go. This is how you can create statistic, a descriptive statistic table with Excel. As you can see, we have the mean 32 for the age and $29,400 for the mean, and you have the standard deviation, standard error, the median, the mode, the standard deviation, and also the range, the minimum, and you can see that it counts the number of rows that I have in my data set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. This is how you create quickly descriptive statistic table in Excel. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, and feel free to give me some comment. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can get notification when I'm releasing a new video. Thank you, take care, and stay tuned.